What and why of cloud? You may have heard of this term cloud, cloud computing, AWS, Google Cloud, everything goes on cloud. What the hell is cloud? Let's discuss that. Imagine two friends, Ram and Lakshman. Ram has a MacBook Pro and Lakshman has an old system. The teacher has assigned students to submit an animation file as the project. Lakshman's system doesn't support such intensive stuff because it's an old system. How can he help himself out? Take a 30 seconds pause and just go through the scenario and come up with a solution. What should Lakshman do? I hope you have paused it. Let's proceed to the solution. It's quite simple. He asks Ram for borrowing his Mac for an hour. Ram agrees, but on a condition. The condition being Lakshman should get him an ice cream the next day. Lakshman agrees. The problem is solved. It's quite simple, right? This is how cloud functions. There is someone out there, a company, that is ready with the plentiful resources, and you are ready with providing them with the money. Tapping into someone else's resource, which comes at a price tag, is what the cloud means. Here, you are in the team Lakshman, and the cloud providers like Amazon Web Services, Google Cloud, Microsoft Azure are in the team Ram. What does cloud provide us? It provides us infrastructure, like you have virtual machines with certain degree of compute power and storage. You have softwares like Google Mail, Google Photos. You have platform. You have databases like MongoDB databases, Atlas. You have Postgres on NeonDB, etc. You have containers like Docker registry. You have CDNs for front end deployments. You have storage like iCloud and Google One, and there are such many more tons of services that cloud provides. Now let's discuss why of cloud. The cloud is easy to access. You just need your account to be set up on your favorite cloud service provider. It is fast to acquire. On just of a click of a button, you can have almost an infinite resource, provided that you're ready to pay for it. It is scalable. That means, for example, the Facebook has a million requests incoming every single second, and it has gone up by 10 million requests. They can always scale up their project by on a click of a button on whichever cloud provider they're using. It's flexible because the traffic on your website varies. You can always reduce or upscale your compute power or whatever the resource that you need in just on a click of a button using cloud. Security. To restrict unauthorized access on your system, you have to have security on your system. So, the cloud providers comply with heavy security measures so that their users' data is always safe and secure. Although you can implement this yourself, but it will be a tedious task. So these all are the things that cloud makes us feel free, easy to use, and we can always depend on the cloud service providers. If we were to implement these ourselves, it would be a very tedious task and it will eat up a lot of time. Rather, we would be focusing on developing a product and not care about the resources. I hope you understand what cloud is. Thank you. See you next time.